I am very picky about my supplements. So when VitaMedica reached out to me to review their bone support supplement, I did a lot of research before saying yes to this product. And once I did my research, I knew that this would be a fantastic product and exactly what I want. I'm in my mid-40s. I'm allergic to dairy, so I know and want to support my bones, and I also want that magnesium. And the fact that this has everything in one supplement from an extremely reputable brand is really awesome to me. Now, VitaMedica makes physician-formulated products with over 25 years of clinical use. They rigorously screen their raw materials from sourcing to manufacturing to packaging. They make sure everything that you get is top quality, and their facilities are pharmaceutical grade, and they go out of their way to make sure they are inspected on a regular basis by all the legit government and third-party bodies, so you know you are getting a fantastic product. Now let's talk specifically about bone support. This is a bioavailable multivitamin that supports so much. And it has a lot going on here. Not only does it have the calcium along with magnesium and vitamin D3, but it also has a ton of vitamin B6, vitamin A, biotin. This really is going out of its way to support you. Now, they are medium-sized tablets, they are odorless, and they definitely pack a lot. This is an amazing product, so if you are looking for a bone support product, definitely give this one a try.